Hello everyone and welcome. पता है आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? We're going to hear a fantastic story all about a sunflower's great adventure. So, are you ready to find out how a tiny seed becomes a giant sunny flower? Jello, let's begin. So, have you ever really thought about it? How does a teeny tiny seed, itna chota sa, turn into a huge, beautiful flower that can be even taller than you are? It's a pretty cool mystery, right? Well, that's exactly what we're going to figure out together today. You know, every single seed has a big dream inside it, and that dream is to grow up into a beautiful plant. The special journey it takes to make that dream come true is called a life cycle. ये एक बहुत ही खास सफर है जो हर living thing पूरा करती है. So, what is a life cycle really? Well, it's just a way of describing all the different stages in the life of a living thing. And you see these arrows on the screen? It's just like a circle story that goes around and never really ends. यानी ये एक गोल कहानी की तरह है जो बस चलती रहती है, कभी खत्म नहीं होती. Okay, so our hero, the little sunflower seed, is all set to start its big adventure. Let's see what the very first step of this journey is. And here we are, stage 1. The entire adventure, the whole story, starts with just one single seed. It looks so small, doesn't it? But guess what? A whole giant sunflower is basically sleeping inside, just waiting for its time to grow. Now, for the magic to start, the seed needs a nice, cozy home. So stage 2 is when we plant the seed in the soil. You can think of the soil as a warm, comfy bed that helps the little seed wake up and begin its amazing journey. Okay, so after taking a little nap in the soil, our seed is starting to wake up. Now it's time to grow really strong and tall and reach up for the beautiful blue sky. This is where things get super exciting. And look, a tiny little green sprout is popping out of the ground. This is stage 3, the infant plant. Yeh hai hamara baby plant. It's just saying hello to the big wide world and feeling the sun for the very first time. So now our infant plant starts getting bigger and bigger. First, it grows these things, leaves. ये जो leaves हैं, they help it eat sunlight to get energy. Then it grows strong branches. And finally, these little things called buds show up. ये buds जो हैं, they are like little secret packages with a surprise hiding inside. And now, it's time for the moment we've all been waiting for. The big surprise that's been hiding inside those buds is finally ready to come out. Get ready for a glorious bloom. And there it is, stage 4. The buds open up and, ta-da, a beautiful, big, bright adult sunflower. Wow, our little seed has finally achieved its dream. It's all grown up now. Kitna pyara lag raha, right? But hold on a second. Is the story over? Not at all. Remember we talked about that circle story? Well, the adventure is about to continue. Okay, so check this out. This is the really amazing part. The big adult sunflower, it makes hundreds of brand new seeds. And those seeds fall down to the soil. And what do you think happens? A whole new adventure begins for every single one. The circle of life just keeps on going. Wow, what an incredible journey, right? You guys followed the sunflower's whole adventure perfectly. So now it's time for a little challenge, a fun quiz to see what you remember. Ready? All right, first question, and it's an easy one to get us started. How do plants grow? Just think about the story we just heard. What was the very first thing that happened? That's exactly right. Most plants start as a seed, bilkul hamara sunflower ki tarah, and then they go through lots of different stages or steps to become big, strong adult plants. Awesome job! Okay, question number 2. Where do sunflower seeds need to be for a plant to grow? Let's look at our choices. A, in the air. B, in the soil, C, in a box, or D, in the water? The correct answer is B, in the soil, of course. They need that cozy bed to start growing. Next up, what grows from the buds of a sunflower plant? Remember those little secret packages? Was it A, roots, B, flowers, C, more seeds only, or D, eggs? Yes, you got it. It's B, flowers. The beautiful yellow flowers pop right out of the buds. And for our last question, what is the tiny plant that grows from a seed called? Was it A, adult plant, B, infant plant, C, pupa, or D, caterpillar? The answer is B, infant plant. That's our little baby plant. And that brings us to the end of our amazing adventure today. But just remember this, okay? Every big, tall, beautiful sunflower you ever see was once a tiny little seed with a very big dream. Isn't that just a wonderful thing to think about?